Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about DIV division command in INVT PLC. First of all, I will open my AutoStation software and here we will write the instructions and here we will go to the integer math instructions and here you can see this is the DIV divide integer instruction. Also double integer have available, but we will use this divide instruction. We can take it here and here we will give the source data, for an example D, and next also will be take D, and this will change the address D5, and source data also we will be target data, this is we will be take the D10, D0 and D5 we will be any D divide value we will divide by and take the answer, and next here we will be take one input under the close contact we will be type x5 or 6, any you can type, no problem. This is the division instruction. And why use this division instruction in the PLC? Most commonly analog sensors like temperature, pressure sensors provide a raw digital value like 0 to 4000 or 0 to 32,767. So to display this value like degrees Celsius or bar, you have to be must use the math, means division instruction. An example, if a sensor gives a value of 10,000 for 100 Celsius, you would divide the raw value by 100 to get the actual temperature. An example here we will monitor this program, download first this one, and here we will be type the value in the D0. For this D0 we will type the value 10,000. This is our raw value and this we will be divide by 100, and after click OK, and you can see this is answer is 100 Celsius degree. So same as which is any value coming from the field raw value, that's you can divide by the with the division command you can use and you can get the actual value, and this value you can take it the HMI. After this will be human readable, otherwise this value cannot be read in the HMIs. So how can this value, maybe one more example I will share with you. Here A1 data register coming, I will take the X0 and we will be take it here move instruction. For example, I will take the OV MOV, yeah, move instruction. This is the D and target data also D, and this is we will be take D20, D30, no not D30, we will take the D0, okay, D0, and here this value comings at the D20 and this value we likes to move into the D0, and divide value which you like to be divide, that you have to be manually fix. This is how much value after you like to be divide by the 10 D0, and answer you have to be taken the D10. An example, here I will type right in the D20 this value, I will type it here 32,000 value I will type at the D20, and this will press the X0 when after this value moves into the D0. Why not move? Because of we are using the 16-bit data, we have to be used less than 32,000. We have to be use this one. For example, 2000 we will be take, no problem, and click OK, and this 2000 after moves into the D0. Not moving. Why not moving? We will be recheck and see. For example, when you making the program in the series, data registers when using after used in the serial wise, yani means first D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5 seem like serial, and after you will be not any data will be not interrupted. And now you can see now 2000 is move and 20 is answer. For an example, here we will be write again, we will be write some more value 3000 and click enter, and as we will give the signal at x0, after you can see this value moves into the 3000 and answer is 30. Divide by 100. And if you like to change this value also, yani this is how much number, this is D5. D5 we have to be type for an example 50 and click enter, and your answer will be changed. You can see this is the answer is 60. So this way you can use this division command in the INVT PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.